So now we arrive at the most important question. If the tree of knowledge created mixture, confusion, and inner fragmentation, how do we fix it? If good and evil became intertwined inside the reality and inside the human being, what is the path back? This is the role of mitzvot. Mitzvot are not just rituals. They are not symbolic gestures. They are tools of alignment. They take a mixed world and begin to restore order. They separate, refine, elevate, and reconnect reality to its source. When a person eats with a bracha, he is not only eating, he is taking physical energy and placing it into the service of Hashem. When a person gives tzedakah, he is not only transferring money, he is taking material resources and turning them into chesed. When a person learns Torah, he is not only gaining information, he is aligning the mind with divine truth. This is the process of Tikkun, step by step, choice by choice, action by action. We take a world where good and evil are mixed, and we begin to reveal the good hidden inside it. This also means that spiritual repair is not only dramatic, it is daily. It happens in speech, in thought, in business, in food, in family, in learning, in restraint, in generosity, in humility. Every mitzvah is a small act of reordering the world. Now the whole series comes together. Wheat taught us that knowledge needs vessels. Wine taught us that experience needs boundaries. Fig taught us that self-awareness needs healing. Esrog taught us that goodness needs alignment. The Zohar taught us that all of these are one system. The Arizal taught us that the mixture is now inside us. And mitzvot teach us how to repair it. This is not just the story of what went wrong in Gan Eden. It is the story of what we are here to fix. That is the journey of the human being, to take what became mixed, confused, and broken, and bring it back to truth.